Hello guys! In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own merch for YouTube or something like that. It is completely free, but before I jump into the video, I'm going to show you that I actually have launched a merch store myself. I've done it with the method I'm going to show you in this video, but I'm going to put a link in the description so that you can check it out for yourself. As you can see, it is pretty reasonable pricing in my opinion, but yeah, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so once you have logged in, you will see the screen called home. It will say that you need to verify your email address, so make sure to do that first. So I'm quickly going to do that. So once you have verified your email, you are of course gonna see this home screen as I said before. But to create a product, you are obviously going to click on the create product button. So now you can see a lot of different things you can make. I think we are just going to create a comfort tea, very good in my mind. So the way you are going to design a product is just by adding text like this. Oops. I'm just going to write Mr. Center Guy, change it to bold to center, and then maybe change the font to something like this. I'm going to drag it a bit down. Then I am actually going to just drag in a Mr. Center Guy logo, like this. Then you should see it here on your t-shirt. So it actually says here if the print quality are going to be good. It is right now, but as you can see, if I make it huge like this, it will say higher resolution, artwork needed, and print quality poor. So keep that in mind. Because it is free, they are going to take most of the money that people pay for this. So as you can see, if it's set to $30.99 here, you will get about $11 of profit. So I would recommend setting this t-shirt to something about 20, let's say $29.99, but then you will only get about $2 of profit. So maybe like $23.99 or $22.99. $22.99 seems pretty good. But then here you can choose which colors you want. I'm just going to choose white, purple, and red. Keep in mind, if you choose black and you have a black color right here, it will be a bit hard to see for some people. So keep that in mind. Up here you can change if you want to see it from the front or the back, because you can also make a design on the back, but I'm not going to do that. So now you can continue. So now you can choose lots of different things as well with the same design, like stickers or hoodies or things like that, but I'm not going to choose that. Okay, so I had to take like a quick break, but once you go to the launch page, you can create a title of your listing, which is the thing with this design on. In this case, it's just the shirt. So I'm just going to call it Mr. Center Guy Basic. And then give it a description. I'm just gonna copy it honestly. You can go to advanced and change a bit of this, but I'm not going to do that. So now you can click launch listing. Then you have to wait for it to be done down here. But after it's done, as you can see, you can create a promo code, which by the way I have done. It's just new video, but you can enter that while you buy something in my store. It's going to be available in a month from this video's upload. But yeah, after this you can just click on your store item down here and then view store, and here you have it. You should probably give it a better name in here in the edit name thing, but now you can copy this, and yeah, then people can buy it, and that's basically it for this video. See you guys in the next one.